Good day. Today I'm going to show how you can leverage PX AI and trackable links for your email campaigns. First, you need to go to your PX portal. Once inside your PX portal, go to Configurations. And then click on the drop-down Other Template Designer and select Email Designer. Once you're inside the Email Designer, click on the Create New Template by PX AI, and from here, you can go ahead and type in the email template you wish to have. For me, I will be adding the prompt, Free Tooth Whitening Offer for Veteran Day Limited to First 100 RSVP Patients, and I will just click on Generate Template. After a couple of seconds, PX will generate a template for you just like shown below. We can now go ahead and apply changes to the content of the email template. I will also add the track link on the email so I can monitor who are interested in my template. The track link syntax can be found on the screen or on the description of this video. After all of the modifications made, I will just go ahead and save this. This is now how it would look like on the email, and this is how it would look like on the comm log of the patient if they clicked on the link. And that is it. That is how you can utilize the PatientXpress track link. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video.